Hi guys, my name is Miguel Duluc and I'm going to be talking to you on how to save energy in a law firm. Now, as you guys can see, from appliances, there's different ways of saving energy in appliances. You can save energy by using an LED monitor versus an LCD monitor. Now, an LCD monitor, here you guys can see, it's big, it's bulky, and it has one light bulb. That light bulb turns on or off. Now this one, the LED, has individual light bulbs. These light bulbs, you can turn them on or off whenever you need to. So instead of having one light bulb on all time, you can have small little ones on and have some off at the same time. Now the initial cost in order to start up this energy saving appliances, you're going to have an initial cost for the surge protectors. The traditional ones are going to cost you around $180. Now the energy saving ones are going to cost you roughly around $250. The actual monitor, traditional monitors, are going to cost you roughly around $550. And the energy saving LED monitors are going to cost you a whopping $1,200. Now this is going to save you money in the long run. The monthly energy consumption for the traditional surge protector is roughly $90. Now the monthly energy consumption for the energy saving surge protector is roughly $30. It's a big difference. Your traditional monitor is going to consume $90, and your energy saving monitor is going to consume roughly around $60. Total monthly savings for your energy saving surge protector is going to be roughly around $50. That's a big deal. $50 every 12 months is a big deal. Your monitors are also going to save you roughly around $50. Now I'm going to be talking to you guys about the actual surge protector itself. This is a surge protector itself. Any one like this is going to look very similar. It's going to have individualized outlets. Basically what it does is that each individual outlet controls the power. So if you have a computer monitor plugged in here and you turn off the computer monitor, it shuts up energy consumption for that computer itself. The way it works is that you have, anytime you have a unit plugged into your outlet, it's still consuming energy. It's still using energy. As you guys can see, this is basically a TV itself. The TV right now is off, but you guys can see the red light is on. That red light is telling you that it's still consuming energy. Even though it's off, it's still consuming energy. So by using this outlet, you can be saving a lot of energy. Thank you.
My name is Tiffany Hernandez, and I've been working at the law firm for about 6 months now. I typically do stuff like answering phones, I do paperwork. I notice that we actually, when we throw out a lot of case briefs or anything, we actually just throw it in the regular trash. We don't recycle here.
Tiffany, have you noticed other things besides recycling that the firm has not been doing that you would like to see improvements on?
Well, I've noticed that on the weekends, they typically leave the lights on because the partners come in, and they just rather have the lights on when they get in on the weekend. So I think that maybe changing the light fixtures or turning off the lights whenever rooms aren't in use could help.
Are the computers usually on, or do you turn them off?
The partners and the associates usually leave them on.
Based on the green plan, do you feel that they're going to improve the office, and are they doable?
I think that if they actually did implement the green plan, I think it would be helpful and it would improve. I'm not sure if they really would implement some of the things on the plan, but something such as recycling, like the paperwork, I think that could actually be doable. I think they might be able to purchase more green office supplies, but I'm not sure if they would be willing to. Something that they might consider is e-filing instead of using files, because I also work with the files, and I think that they might be willing to implement e-filing instead of the usual hard copies that we do use. Also, I think about the lights. I'm not sure if the partners would be willing to turn off the lights when they leave, but that could be something that would improve.
Good evening, Professor Hayes. My name is Alba Roman, and I will be presenting all the recommendations that our group of consultants became after the green audit for Blanco at law firm. The first recommendations will be based on the recycling approach. We found that they really don't recycle at all. And our recommendation is ramp up the recycling, just about any kind of paper they will encounter in an office, including the fax paper, envelopes, and junk mail can be recycled. The other one, it will be for them to print smarter. They can make sure the old printers are set up double-sided. That way it will be better for the internal control of the documents and drafts. The paperless office, identify a main area to place the recycling bins. This strategy will motivate the staff and clients to think green. Also provide to the clients with the option to go green and receive their documents via email, through an email instead of paper. Our second group of recommendations will be in other alternatives, like for example, minimize the consumption of paper by changing the current intake process for a new client from printed forms to electronic forms. Establish an electronic filing system by scanning all paperwork for current clients and past clients. Utilize online resources as well as database and documentation so that paper is used to minimal and only when required by a hearing. Create a healthy office environment is another recommendation. As an other alternative, use non-toxic cleaning products and brighten up their office with plants which absorb indoor pollution. Utilize technology resources like, for example, email, text to communicate case status to the clients. Our third recommendation will be on energy saving. During the early hours, and instead of turning on the lights, they can open all the curtains or shades so that natural light is used, and it will save money and electrical bill. Installing energy management system software and hardware upgrades and energy conservation features within the office. Replace old lighting fixtures with more energy efficient. For them to be bright about light, they will need to turn off the lights when conference or lawyer offices are not in use. Create guidelines within the office and training programs to ensure the process maximizes energy conservation improvements. For example, it will maximize computer efficiency. Each year, computers in the business sector waste $1 million worth of unnecessary electricity. We recommend them for them to program computers to go to sleep after 15 minutes of inactivity. This will save a lot of money around the year. This is the presentation, and Betty Blanco at Law PA set on green. Thank you, Dr. Bates, for our group leader, Belinda Sardinas, the video editor, Piero Fortunic, editor, Alba Roman, myself, and all the facilitators, Molly, Juan, Brando, Jesus, Alberto, Updiks, and Miguel. Thank you.